Hello and welcome to another video by TNC Flipbook. This video is about WP Page Builder add-on for PDF viewer for WordPress. This is an add-on that helps you to use WPBakery with PDF viewer for WordPress. So, to use this add-on, you must install PDF viewer for WordPress plugin first, which is the best Flipbook and PDF reader plugin on WordPress. This plugin has over 7,000 users every day. And also you need WPBakery page builder installed on your WordPress website. So if you have made the decision to use this add-on, that's a very good decision. This add-on will help you to embed or show any kind of PDF files as Flipbook using WPBakery page builder. This is the documentation video of WPBakery page builder add-on for PDF here for WordPress. You'll get a whole playlist where every single detail will be shown. There is a written documentation of this add-on as well. I'll put the link in the description. Do check this out.